How to change Canva website URL. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to change the website URL of your Canva. So let's get started. First of all, open the Canva on your device, app or the website version. Then simply make sure that you are logged into your account. Now all you have to do is on the left-hand menu, click on the projects and open the website design you want to change the URL of. So here, let me choose one according to my preferences. Then once you do so, all you have to do is tap on the share button at the top right corner of your screen, and once you tap on the share button, there you will get to see more option available in the three dot. Simply tap on it. Then all you have to do is tap on the website option available there. Then once you tap on the website, you can see there is a choose domain name option available. You can simply tap on the custom domain option available there and you will see the default URL like yourname.my.canva site slash project name. You can rename the end of the URL after the slash, but in order to do that, you will need the pro version of the Canva. You can only change the free Canva URL or set a custom domain if you are on a pro or teams plan. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.